The government of Kenya is keen on expanding economic and technical cooperation with the government of South Korea for the mutual benefit of our two countries. We have signed an EDCF loan for the establishment of Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, which will culminate to the eventual signing of the loan agreement with Korea Exim Bank amounting to $94 million or about 9.8 billion Kenya shillings. The establishment of KITES will enhance the quality of higher learning while nurturing a technologically advanced population, producing creative young talents and leaders. Phase 1 of the KITES will be located on the 400 acres of land at Konza Technopolis City and will generate 17,000 jobs upon completion. So on behalf of the people of Kenya and the government of Kenya, we are indeed very grateful for this support from South Korea.
This all meaningful project with sincerity. This is mutually beneficial. So as a Korean ambassador, I will fully support Kenya, and then hopefully our everlasting friendship will be further strengthened. So this is very symbolic and meaningful. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much.